are awesome. You are looking after your health, and I get it. You want a milkshake. But if you have autoimmune issues, are you aware that you should probably ditch the dairy? I'm Kristen. This is Kristen Unpoisoned, and on this channel, we take the poison out of everyday living. And today, we're going to do that by making a healthier, dairy-free chocolate milkshake. And we're going to learn why being dairy-free is important if you're autoimmune. If you're autoimmune, you hopefully already know to stay away from gluten in all foods containing grain, but what you might not be aware of is molecular mimicry. There are a lot of different foods that contain proteins that to your body look just like gluten proteins. So when you're exposed to those foods, your body's going to react in the same way that it would as if you had eaten gluten. There are a lot of different foods that do this, but today we're just going to take a quick look at dairy. The main protein in dairy that can cause gluten-sensitive reactions is the protein casein. Casein is the main protein in all dairy products, along with the protein whey, and actually both casein and whey can cause gluten reactions in gluten-sensitive people. I'll link some studies and some more information below if you'd like to dive deeper into that. BCM7 is a type of casein protein that's known to induce autoimmune disease that's produced by A1 cows. Most of the cows in the US are A1 cows, so that's another great reason to ditch the dairy if you're in the US. Some people can actually tolerate milk if it's raw from A2 cows, so it might be worth seeing if you can source some raw A2 milk near you, but I've heard it's pretty difficult to find. Lucky for us, there are a lot of great dairy-free milk alternatives that we can choose from today. My favorite are by the brand Elmhurst because they usually have only 2 ingredients, whatever nut it's made out of and water. Can't get better than that. My favorite milk of the moment is Elmhurst's cashew milk because it's so thick and creamy and it's great in things like milkshakes. So let's get to making that milkshake. It is creamy and comforting and delicious without being sickly sweet. So our milkshake is made with delicious, simple, healthy ingredients, but how does it compare to the world's most popular chocolate milkshake? Good old Makudo's McDonald's chocolate milkshakes. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're taking a look at the McDonald's chocolate shake. For the small size, it's 520 calories. It tries to make it look like it's 3 simple ingredients: vanilla reduced fat ice cream, chocolate shake syrup, and whipped light cream. But there's a lot of stuff in those ingredients, so let's look at that. Okay, so they want us to look at the nutritional information first. 520 calories, 12 grams of protein, 85 grams of carbohydrate, 14 grams of fat. And do they have the fiber? It doesn't look like they show fiber. Okay. Oh, there it is. Fiber is 1 gram. Okay. So if we take a look at the allergen information, that's where it actually tells us what the ingredients are. So it looks like it has a lot of stuff that, regular people shouldn't eat, but definitely us autoimmune people should not be eating this stuff. So look, we've got corn syrup. That is a grain. Natural flavors. We don't know what the blazes that is. Mono and diglycerides. I'm not sure what that is. And the gums, cellulose gum, guar gum, and carrageenan. Those are all gut irritants and not good for autoimmune people. We've got about the same in the syrup here. And down here we got the milk, twice, mono and diglycerides, natural flavors, carrageenan, and oh look, nitrous oxide. Is that not laughing gas? Delicious, right? Okay. So here is what the most popular milkshake looks like compared to our delicious milkshake. Which one looks better? I think ours does. I want to know what you think if you made this. Let me know in the comments below. Next week, I'm going to attempt to make protein squares. It's my first time doing anything like this, so I hope it goes well. Stay tuned next week to see how it ends up. Thank you so much for watching. Keep living an unpoisoned life, and I will see you next time.